Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 16G Administration. Go to the instruction file. So assignment title is the Excel 16G Department Expenses. If you want to complete a seminar or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel workbook, student Excel 16G administration access downloaded with this project. We go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in the expenses worksheet, use the sum function, calculate the row total for each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. In the expenses worksheet, go to the expenses worksheet and use the sum function, calculate the total expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter button. Insert the sum function. Type is equal to type the sum function and quarter 4 to 1 to 4 is the city manager. Close bracket, press enter button. Copy the formula to the F5 to F9 and format the comma style and 0 decimal places. Comma style and 0 decimal places. Go to the number group, click on comma style and 0 decimal places. Decimal places 0, click OK. And go to the next step is the calculate the column total using the sum of each quarter annual by the total by the range in the B10 to F10. Copy the range B10 to F10. Is the range, press enter button. Type is equal to type the sum function and quarter 1 to 9, B5 to B9, close bracket, press enter button. And copy the function B10 to F10, function B10 to F10. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in the cell G5, construct a formula to calculate the percentage of total by dividing the annual total for a city manager by the annual total for the total by quarter. Use the absolute cell reference as the necessary format. The result is the percent style. In a cell G5 is the construct a formula. Select the cell as G5, construct the formula, type is equal to, and the city manager is the annual total. Click F5, divided by a total by quarter is the annual total. Select the range is F10 and apply the and calculate the percent style, total dividing annual and total by sales, and using the absolute cell reference. Apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button, press enter button. So format, the result is the percent style. Select the G5 and go to the home tab, go to the number group, click up percent and then center the, and just go to the element, click center and fill the formula down through cell G9. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the create a 3D pie chart to chart the annual total for each item using the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F9. Move the chart new sheet and then name the chart sheet name administration cost charts. Create the 3D pie chart in the annual total in the A5 to A9. Copy the range A5 to A9 and paste the range. Press enter button and F5 to F9 range. Select the range F5 to F9 is the annual total. Insert the create a 3D pie chart. Go to the insert tab, click up chart group, click a 3D pie charts. 3D pie chart and move the chart new sheet name is the administration cost chart. Copy the administration cost charts. Right click, click move chart and click the new sheet name is administration cost chart. Click OK. Move the chart is the new sheet is administration cost chart. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is for the chart title type the summary of administration cost and then format the chart title using the word art style in the first row and then second style. Change the chart style. Title is the font size is 28. Copy the chart title is the summary of administration cost. Select the chart title summary of the administration cost and format the chart title is using the word art style first row second style. First row second style. Word art style first row and the second set style. Go to the format tab, go to the word art, style first row second style. First row second style and change the chart title font size is 28. Go to the home tab and go to the font size group, click 28. Font size is 28. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is remove the legend from the charts and then add the data label. Format the so that only category name and percentage display the position in the center. Remove the legend from the charts. Remove the legend from the charts and then add the data label formatted only category name and percentage. Add a data label only category name and percentage data label, category name and percentage. Remove the value and show leader line and remove the legend. Add a data label category name and percentage and label display the position in the center. Label position in the center and change the data label font size is to 12 and then apply the bold and italic. Change the font size is 12. Go to the home tab, go to the font group, click font size is 12. and then bold and italics. Go to the home tab, go to the font group, click a bold and click italic. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is a format the data series using the 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel of the first bevel is the first row. Format the data series. Format the data series and change the top bevel and bottom bevel is the first bevel in the first row. Select the 3D formats is the top bevel is the first bevel. Top bevel is the top bevel and bottom bevel is the first bevel. Bottom bevel is the first bevel and set the top with this 50 pt and then bottom bevel with this height is 25 6 256. Top bevel with this 50 and change the bottom bevel with this width and height is 50 in the top bevel, height is 50 and bottom bevel is the 256. Bottom bevel is the 256, width is 256 and height is 256. Press enter and change the material to the standard of fact is metal. Scroll down and go to the material, the metal. Click standard of fact metal. So question number 7 is the complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is the display the series option and then set the angle of first slice is 140 so that the city manager slice the front of pie. Select the city manager slice and then explore the 10%. Display the series option. Display the series option and set the angle of first slice is 140. Angle of the first slice is type the 140. Press enter. The top of the city manager and display the city manager and select the city manager. Explore the slices 10%. Select the city manager. Explore is the 10%. Press enter. Explore the city manager slice and 10%. Change the fill color of city manager is the solid fill in the 5th column 4th row. Sorry, 5th column 4th color. Go to the fill tab and click on solid fill. 5th column 4th color. Fourth color and the fourth color, 5th column and 4th color. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is format the chart area by applying a gradient fill using the preset gradient in the 4th column, first color for Formate the border of the chart area by adding solid line border. Eighth column is the first color. Formate the chart area. Select the Formate the chart area and applying the gradient field. Present gradient fourth column, first color. Select the gradient fill. Is the gradient fill color is the fourth column, first color. Four column, first color. Fourth column and first color is the formate the border of the chart area by adding the solid line border is the eighth column and first color. Change the border of width is 5 pt. Formate the border of chart area of the chart area solid line and border of the chart area solid line. Eighth column is the first color. Eighth column is the first color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and eighth column is the eighth column is the first color. So the green accent 4 is the first color and then change the border of width is 5 pt. Border of width is 5 pt. Press enter button. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. Display the page setup dialog box. For this chart sheet, insert the custom footer left section with the file name. Go to the page layout tab, go to the page setup group and click the header and footer. Header and footer is the insert the custom footer is the left section and custom footer left section with the file name. Click custom footer, the left section is the file name, click OK and again OK. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is display the expenses worksheet. Select the expenses worksheet and then by using the quarter name and total by quarter, the quarter name and total by quarter, quarter name as total by quarter. Insert the line with the marker, insert the line with the marker chart worksheet. Go to the insert tab, go to the recommended chart, line with the marker chart, click OK. Insert the line with the marker chart and move the chart so the upper left position slightly upper left hand corner of cell B12 is B12. Move and drag the cell is B12 and type the annual administration expenses by quarter as the chart title. Copy the chart title, annual administration expenses by quarter and paste the chart title. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is formate the bound of vertical value axis and minimum is the 110,000 is 500. Format the bound of vertical axis so minimum is the value and major unit is 10,000. Format the fill of chart area is the gradient fill, applying the preset gradient in the first row. Format the bound of the vertical value axis. Select the vertical value axis, the format axis, and vertical value axis is the minimum value. Copy the minimum value and paste the minimum dialog box. Press enter button, and major unit is the 10,000. Major units. Press enter. And format the fill of chart area with the gradient fill by applying the first row and third gradient. Select the chart area. Format the chart area and apply the gradient fill. Preset gradient first row. Fill the chart area the gradient fill. Chart area and gradient fill, applying the preset gradient first row, third gradient. Select the gradient fill, and gradient fill is the preset first row, third gradient. Gradient fill first row, third gradient. The first row is the third gradient, and format the plot area. Select the plot area. Plot area is the solid fill. Select the solid fill, and white background one. First column is the first color. So question number 12 is the complete.